Hi, I'm Eric Goldstein. I am with CloudView Productions in Boca Raton, Florida, and I've been using Realtor Vision for about 2 years now. I had originally been shooting and sending people images through Dropbox and some of the other ways to get images to the realtors, and found Realtor as initially a really nice way to package up the images. But it obviously does a lot more. It provides a tour, it provides a website, it passes on the links. The links are branded. It provides a lot more information to the actual realtor. It tracks which images their clients are going in and seeing. It just provides, it goes beyond just providing images to allowing me to provide a true marketing package to the realtors that I work with. Also just makes my life a little bit easier. I know they're working on getting some of the billing stuff in place. I think that's the only thing that I would love to see it do. Right now I just use another service for billing. But as far as a way to get the images together, create a tour, create a brochure, create a video, it does all that very, very well. So recommend them highly. I think it's well worth the investment per tour. So what business problems am I using with Realtor Vision? It's the easeability to initially deliver images to the realtor. So it does do a nice job of packaging things up. It delivers the images in a nice professional tour with panning views of each of the images. And it kind of goes beyond that. It delivers a video, it delivers a brochure, it posts things to social media. So there's a lot of additional functionality in there, as well as things that I honestly don't use. Some of the image correction and some additional professional services they offer that I don't take advantage of. But the key thing that I use it for is the ability to package up my images, deliver them in a professional way that's branded for my company. So what I like most about Realtor Vision, I think, is that it's all packaged together. It delivers everything that I want in a way that's relatively easy for my customers to download. I don't have to use things like Dropbox that honestly I've run into issues in the past with customers not understanding how to download all the images from Dropbox. That sends them a single link, they download them, and obviously in addition to that they get a whole bunch of other things they might not normally expect. They might not normally get from a real estate photographer or videographer, as far as getting a tour, getting a website, getting a brochure, getting a video. All those things are typically extra, and it kind of all comes with the service as is. As far as what I like least about the product, I wish it had a little bit more of a wizard interface flow to it. As much as I've used it and as many tours as I've done with it, I still find myself kind of bouncing around a little bit to find out the best place to go. Things are not in order of how they flow for me. And I provided this feedback. One thing I forgot to mention earlier that I do like about them is that they are very responsive. Their CEO, their people that work for the company are great, and they actually are very accessible to provide feedback to. And I know they're trying to improve things. They just released a new updated user interface, which I really do like. If you're looking to use Realtor Vision, I do recommend spending some time with their videos, talking to their people. Do take advantage of their initial offer, which is to buy a bunch of credits when you first sign up. It's kind of a one-time thing that they do. As long as you're doing tours, they don't expire, and it's a good thing to take advantage of. And then try to get involved in the community. It's something I wish I could do more of, but trying to talk to other people that are using the service, because they really do a lot of things, and you're probably not taking advantage of all that the system does. But great product, great system. Been using them for a couple of years and recommend them highly.